Yay! Starting a new simulation. Okay, the sound will be adapting as I speak, I suppose. Um, okay. Mm-mm. So let me put this MetaTrader in here. Mm-mm-mm-mm. This one in here. New simulation. I just went like another month forward, and yeah, it's this GBPN 200, 500, whatever. History on charts, 300 days. Simulation. So weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, M30, M15, open, open. So many charts. Yeah, I gotta get rid of the previous one, which are those ones. Mm, okay, now that I don't understand. I put like 300 days before, and this still come with just a few bars on the daily. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 14, 15, 16, 17. Like 28 bars or something. Hmm. Anyway, doesn't matter. Hmm. Okay. We don't need this anymore. Hmm. No MAs at all. No MAs, no nothing. That's it. I'm going to pause. I'm going to have dinner. I was just preparing this. Yeah. So, in a bit. All right, and I'm back. Let's go for it. Okay, so let's put the chart to the 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Control Y. Let's move to the pre-New York. Let's travel 30. Pre-New York. Here we are. So, taking the sessions out. 4 hours. Ooh. 4 hours is in a bit of a range, isn't it? Ooh. So, yeah, we are here. This range. Yeah, it's about this. So this is, oh, how much is this? Uh, I'm not talking too loud. Oh, this is a 100 pip range, 110 pip range. Okay, so more than enough to trade. But we are in the middle of the range, so let's see. We have we have more support. Well, yeah, yeah, we have more support here. I'm going to clone all this to the 1 hour also. That's where we are. Okay, much clearer here. So we have a bunch of zones here. We have this one that we are just reacting to it. This one above. Yeah, this one is very nice. And this one here. A lot of zones, a lot of traffic. A lot of traffic. Not sure if there is space between those ranges too. Yeah, and also a little one in there. Wow, that's a lot of zone. This is going to be really really difficult because that's a lot of traffic. Okay, let's go finally to 30 minutes and see the zone. Okay, on 30 minutes we can. Well, this is a 1 hour support here. Okay, the 1 hour support is there, and then this one here. What about that tiny one? This one. Yeah, this one. Maybe we can change it here, but this is a false break or something. Oh, this is the zone that is here also. Oh, okay, so this is, yeah, this is the place to have the zone. Because, yeah, makes more sense in here. Support resistance here, support in here. So if we go down in here, we have quite a bit of a range to execute the trade. Well, 15 pips is not too much. Let's see, it all depends on the ranges. So let's play the candle. Yeah, I'm speaking low volume because my mother is sleeping. I hope it's enough, and I hope the sound is better than yesterday. 46. Ooh, 40, 57, 79, 123. Okay. Okay, so the 30 minute has closed bullish here. The idea here is if we break above this, this is really difficult. If we break above this area here, we have a long. If we break below this zone in the bottom, we have a short. But in the bottom it's complicated, many weeks. So let's see how it goes. So this was the 30-minute close, and it was also no, not the hourly close, just 30 minutes. It's pre-New York falling. Mm. Okay, hourly close. Let's see. Oh, good rejections in the hourly. It doesn't seem to want to go. Bearish. It's like 5 bearish candles in a row. It should break down instead of going up, but let's see. 4 hour. also looks bearish. 3 weeks in this zone. Yeah, so let's go. 30 minutes. Yep. Break the low of the candle, respected the high. Ideally, we want to see this candle closing next. Oh, yeah. So it already closed a bit below, but not enough to get into the trade. Not enough at all. Again, are we respecting the high? No, we broke the high. Okay. Now this is almost reaching New York Open, almost. And let's see the 15 minutes. Okay, we need to see this thing breaking above, closing above this zone here. I want to see the closes above all the closes here. Okay. If it's to go up, it's not. 5 minutes to New York Open. Alright, after all, it's down. So yep, and we closed. And we closed very well. We closed below. Very good bearish engulfing candle. I cannot do anything in here. The stop is just huge. If I try to do yeah, just ridiculously huge. So if I have a dovetail setup, I'll do it. I'll do my short if we break the low again. Let's see. Yep. So is this? Oh man, this was just the first minute of the candle. That's yeah. This is only 5, 7, 6 bits. I might miss the trade, but well, we went to the middle of the body. It's just so fast. In the 1 hour, we also breached the low of the 1 hour. Let me see if I put my stop like above those bodies here. 17 pips. 17 pips, and then I might. It's also about 17 pips, so I might do that. Because I might miss. I don't want to miss this move. That's the thing. I don't want to miss this move. We only have 1 week left in here, but this shows a lot of momentum, and we retraced until the middle of the body of this candle. So in reality, I'm not expecting the price to come above all this zone, but also I don't want to put stop here because it's too tight. So ideally, I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to do a visual risk 1%. Visual mode. Sell. That's 17 pip stop. Maybe a little lower. Yeah, it's 17 pips. So let's see the target now. 17 pips. Okay, it's oh, it doesn't show in here. Okay. but I'm going to put the target far away, just in this bottom here. So I'll set it like this, then we are in. Yeah, but I want to take my 17 pip in this zone in here. Like, yeah, 17 pip. Let's play. Alright. Yeah, yeah. Go down, go down. Come on. Alright. Not even giving me a chance of getting risk. Man. Okay, that was a good tail. That was a good tail. A very good tail. I would if I yeah, I already have my risk because it deserves another position in here. Or not. Let's see. No, it's going down. Oh come on. So we are 8 minutes in only. Yep, it's rejecting again, that zone. Okay. The 15 minute has closed bullish, so I need to cut 50%. Trades close partial. 50% of my position is off. I always forget to manage in the 15 minutes. Yeah, but now we are going. Okay. Now, where do I add my risk pack? If I want to have my risk pack, maybe when we breach this low in here, because it's the also yeah it's his own the on candle low. Yeah, that one maybe not for the 15 pips or the 17 pips, but let's see. Okay. Oh shit. Didn't pause. Does it go up again? I want to take my target around here, around this zone. Let's see if it goes back a bit. Huh? Okay. Okay. I'm having my 0.5% again here. Okay. So 0.5 and selling again, and the stop is going to be yeah, just just above this candle here. That's also a 13, 14 pip stop. So let's see this one. This one I'll take the 14. Okay, that's a 1-2-1. So let's play. Break low. You can do it. He's just reacting to that zone. That zone is one down. Oh, almost there. Almost there. So we have. Oh yeah, this is almost perfect to close. Uh, I'm going to close just because I'm not sure if I get a better, a better place to close. It's nearly, yeah, it's nearly okay. So even if we don't, yeah, because we are right at the low of the candle, and it's yeah, it's a good chance to just here. Yeah, I'm going to close. I'm going to leave a partial on the first one. I'm closing 80% of the first one. and the second one is 10 pips. So I'm just it was about no, the risk was a bit more than 10 pips. Uh, I'll leave this one running to do the one-to-one. Okay, so that was perfect. Um, okay, okay, yeah, very good. So the next one, we almost get into this zone. Yeah, if we reach the bottom here, it would be okay. Let's just put that break even in here, and no, that would be ideal. Wow, 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 wow. What a trade. Wow, going, going to the low. There we have it. Beautiful. So 0.85%, even with cutting risk, and man, that was a beautiful trade. Okay, let's move on. If this is already okay, we already opened New York. Let's see what we have here now. If we have another opportunity. Ooh, he's breaking everything. 4 hours. 4 hour support now. That yeah, this is very strong support in here. So we might get some kind of reversion. Yeah, at least. We could take this one, at least to this last swing low. We might, yeah, strong zone in here. This is difficult to move, very difficult to move. Talking about the trader. Um, okay. So we are, I don't know if we are reversing, but we might get some, we have traffic here. Well, let's see how it goes. Okay, 30 minutes absolute bullish. Uh, yeah. Also, yeah, the 1 hour absolute bullish, wasn't it? Yeah. This is a bullish close. I need to take this stone out of here. I like to see the candle. Delete. Does it delete in the other one? No. But I'll take it out anyway. Delete. Okay. I need a better. I like lines more than zones. Lines are easier. Okay. So the 1 hour is still closed bearish. Okay. Just the 30 minutes closed bullish, and it didn't reach the high at that point. So yeah, I don't feel this might be a good trade, but we are adding. Well, this is still New York open. Yeah, we should move back at least to the middle of this, but I don't want to play this one. I think it's risky because we can only. I would be comfortable only taking when it reached the high here, and then we have problems in here already 10 pips away. So it might go until here again, like 25 pips. Probably that's, let's see. But okay, we came down. So good idea. I didn't took that trade. Ooh, we've reached the. What's going on here? Ooh, the 1 hour is not closed yet, but the 30 minutes has closed below, way below. Uh, yeah. We all those weeks. Wow. But now we have problems again. We have where this line is. Yeah. I'm still on this line. Where's the line? Huh? A clone, clone, clone. Oh, he's there. He's hidden. He's hidden by the zone. And he takes the zone away. Yeah. But, yeah. We have problems. We have more stuff in there. Okay, so then let me put another line. Yeah. Maybe a bit higher because of that swing high, swing low. Yep, this is, yeah, this is the one. Clone. And this is in the 1 hour. So it might come down to that. Oh, we still have this one here. Ah, nah, so this is a very difficult situation. uh, Man, I take too much time. It's already 25 minutes, 27 minutes. I only did the trade. Come on, man. Come on. Okay, we close below. How much do we have till this next one? Well, we have 15 pips, and the stop is also 15 pips. So if we go up a bit and we do a week and we break the low, I'm getting in. Yes, definitely. Yeah. Let's see. If we break the low now, life should be good. Hmm. Hmm. It's a bit of yeah, okay. I'm going to execute the trade here, and I'm only going to execute 0.5% because I'm in profit for the day, and yeah, I'm not sure about the setup is good, but the thing is we are getting late. It's 1 hour to London close, so it's not really high volume time now. So let's see. Uh, let's do a sell. Stop just above here. Stop is 15, and yeah, the target will be 15, 15.2. Accept, and let's see. Oh, it almost didn't move in that candle. That was a very don't like that. So let's manage the trade here. 15 minutes. This is a bullish 15 minutes. That's just cool. I need to, so yeah, I need to cut 50%. Okay. We also have a bullish M30 close. So yeah, I'm cutting another 50% because this is no good. How is the 1 hour going? Yeah, the 1 hour didn't close yet. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to put another 50% in here. It's a shame, but it's what it is. And let's play. Now the 1 hour has closed bullish. But at the same time, it might just be there going to react to that zone. I only have 25% of the trade, so I'm good. Even if we lose, I'm good. I don't like how we're developing, but yeah. So yeah, not going down. No. Okay. So yeah, that was a very nice management. I end up losing very little. Let me see here. Go straight. I lost in money 11 plus 6 plus 8. Wow, that's that's very little because I won a lot more than that. So yeah, that's good. Let's move to the next day. Finally, session next. Oh, we started on a Friday. That was weird. Okay, so what we have here? Boom, 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 boom. 4 hours. We have this zone here in the 4 hours, and this here, which is something, and oh, we had this zone here before, kind of breached. Mm, okay, now can we just put the queen template again? Brilliant. I just need to take the CMA and save the template. Save template. Save queen. Um, okay, so let's clone those zones now. Mm-hmm. That's very nice, very nice, very nice. Hmm. We breached this. We breached everything to the left there. Yeah. So this zone is quite good in where it is, but we have more. We have in here, and we have in here. That's a lot of traffic. I need to put lines instead of zones. I don't like zones. Okay. So if we breach this one here, we might go to the next one. Let's see how it goes. Let's play this. Oh, this is still the 1 hour. Let me move to the next one. Yeah, clean. $4. I clone this again. Without zone. Clone, update. Ah, okay, so in the 30 minutes we are a bit off, but yeah, it's quite okay. Mm, okay, so I'm going to just clear the N15. Okay, so how are we doing? We have this problem here, we have this problem here, we have more problems here, and we have more problems here. Yeah, that's a lot of problems. Move. And more here. Wow, that's a lot of problems to go up. Now, to go down, we don't have any problems. Okay, let's play this. We need to do some sort of double top or something more reliable. And we also have this coming down, we have this resistance, isn't it? That now should be support. So ideally, if we break below that, we should have a trade going again. So bearish close. Respecting the low, respecting the high, and reaching the low. Let's see the next one. Okay, broke the high. But those are 30-minute candles. I don't have much of a range to do a short in here. Double top. Let's go down. Although this is a support here, I'm not taking because we have problems just like 10 pips, 10 pips below. So I'm waiting for this one to break, which is this resistance in here. That is not support. So if we break this one, we have quite a range to do the trade. And we might go up. For now, there are no ranges for anything there. It's just going to be chopping and then come down. Yeah. Okay. Engulfing. This is already. It's almost New York SE open. Almost. We are half an hour from it. Okay. Yeah. I can't take this trade because of this part here. I'll not do that. I want to, but I can't. It's just not enough range. It was quite nice. But it reacted from the zone immediately. Now, let's see the 1 hour. Okay. Yeah, we need to pass this. We need to pass this and go down. So even if this one breaches, it's not a trade yet. Now we are talking. Now we are talking. So if this one closes below, maybe the next one will give me the trade I'm looking for. Okay, okay, okay. So I'm just waiting for this one to weak up a bit and then down, and I'm taking a short. Okay, that's the week I'm looking for. Okay, if we break, going to put a little slower. If it breaks its own low, I mean, bullish candle. This is still valid. This is still valid. If it breaks the low, I mean. Okay, so this is my, let's see, how much is this? Oh, only 5 pips? Nah, 5 pips is way, way, way too tight. In here is 10 pips. Also. But yeah, 10, 11 pips should be alright. Because we are expecting it to go down. Uh, okay, so it's a 1% sell. It's a little late, but yeah, the volume is already reducing. Because 15, 17, we are already after London close. Oh man, should I take a trade after London close? Mm. Mm. So this is New York open, New York SE open, London close. Wow. No, 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 no. Okay. New York open, New York SE open, London close. Okay. So, but man, that clean traffic. Mm. 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 Okay, so I'm taking it and so it's a sell. It stopped around 10, 11 pips, 10, 11, 11 pips, and TP is quarter point. Yeah, TP is far. It's just my first TP is there. Okay, so that's effective. So I'm going to manage an M15 on this line. Not good, not good. Is we still have a bearish close, but now we are breaching the highs of those two 15-minute candles, and volume is dimming. So okay. close bullish. I need to cut 50%. Man, there isn't a trade that I don't have to cut. Man, okay, where are the trades? Close partial, 50%. I'll head again if we breach the lows here. The low of this. The lows, I would say the lows. Okay. I'm having here. I'm having here. 0.5%. Selling. Again, it's 9 pips. And this one I'm going to put it 9 pips off. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, we closed again. Bullish. So I need to cut 50%. Well, this is nothing already. I think I'm going to close the whole trade. No, because I just don't see. And also the hours are not good anymore, so there's no point. I'm closing everything. So yeah, this was a big loss. Okay, so let's see what happens next. Just shopping around. It would have hit my stop. Yeah. Yeah. So good call. Good call to close it. I ended up losing way less than 1%. Yeah, but still was not good. Okay, moving to the next day and to apply the clean temp to this one. Yeah. Clean. Okay, for the 4 hours. How are we doing in the 4 hours? We created a support here. And now we have this resistance here. And after that, that one. Okay, but we have to move to the place where we are going to trade. So it's here. Okay. So 4 hours is breaching the low here. So we might feel this week here. And yeah, next to this, and this one here, that one there, there. Yeah, for now. We clone everything to the others. Okay, so this is the 4 hours. We are breaking bullish. We are breaking bearish. 1 hour. 1 hour. It's here. So if we break below all those 1 hour weeks, You might fill this one. You might come to the bottom. Yep. Let's see the close. 30 minutes. Also. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Looks like a good zone. Let me put another zone here. Let's play. That's 111. Okay, that's the 1 hour closing there. 1 hour close, we closed bearish, but not size it. We are in a range. We gotta get out of there. Okay. 30-minute close bullish. Now we are heading to volume time, right? We are heading to New York Open, so I would say that if we've reached the high of this candle here, we have a lot of weeks in the left, so we don't know. Yeah, we don't know. But it's volume time. This is all Asian session, London Asian stuff. Or let's see, because we also have the support here. Problems there. But if we pass that, it's clean traffic. Let's see what we do. Okay. And we are approaching the New York Open right now. So let's look at the so 4 hours rejected and rejected again. Okay, in the zone of support. So this is 4 hour support where we are. Then 1 hour is 1 hour support. And we are also breaching the 1 hour closes there. 30 minutes, we didn't close yet, but this and the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes is above everything, but we still might come down. Let's see. Because we already wicked down, so right now we are in the second part of this 30-minute candle, so we should go up now. How many pips? The stop is around 10 pips, so I'm going to execute the buy here. 1%. Impulse buy. Visual. 10 pips in here. I just leave it open. Okay. Let's see how it plays. I have to manage in the M15. You get used to it. Okay. Ah, bad boy. Bad boy. Bad boy. Come on. Okay, that was a good close. With no wick, though. But it was above everything, and we already we are we just opened. We just opened and we are moving up. That's a good sign. Let me put the trade here. Right. Hmm. I'll break down a bit. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Oh, again, I'm in the M15 close bullish. And there we have it. We have to get 50%. Oh my fucking god. Is it even possible that every time I have to cut partial? Jesus, cut 50%. Ridiculous. I will have if we break the high again. No, not looking good. M30 closed bearish. And we breached the M30. So this was a false break. This was a false break. And yeah, I don't need to see more. I'm closing everything. 1 hour. The 1 hour is bullish with no wick. Yeah, I don't need to see more. I'm out. So there's a loss. Okay. Maybe if we break the high, I might give it a second chance. Same high. Okay. Just ludicrous. Just ludicrous. It should be interesting to see how are these trades just putting stop and target and leave them without managing. Should be interesting to see. Okay, but problem is I have this zone right here. It's really really tough. And then 15, man, it's like unless I do a very tight target and stop, this is a very difficult trade. Hmm. That's 5 pips away. No, I cannot take it. Cannot take it because of this zone here. He might come here and reject. So, oh yeah, we rejected again. Okay, so doesn't want to go up. Maybe it's coming down. Okay, the 1 hour closed like this. So super bearish. We cannot do anything because we are still in the range. Being dominated by the range. Completely dominated by the range. Wow. Just bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, man. Not out of the range. Okay, okay. So we reached that zone. And that zone, let's see. We need to close above it. We need to, let's see the M15. So, let me clone the zone to the M15. Okay, this candle needs to go back, and if it goes back, yeah, this is an M15 entry. If it goes back to do a little dovetail and go up, I might just went it off me completely. Okay, this is the M30 close. This one was the bullish candle, was the M30 close, but we have a lot of clean traffic to the upside. So we might come here again and retest it, or we might retest in this border point here, something like that. So there are a lot of weeks here, and yeah, and we might go up. Let's hold this zone and see it in the M15 how it plays. We reach the low, we're retesting. Okay, we are retesting indeed. Now we need a bullish candle. So this was the close of the 30 minutes that completely violated this 30 minutes. And the 1 hour is still bullish, but it's a weak bullish, it's a pin bar. But we might feel this week. Because we just came here to retest again this zone. So we might go up. Let's see the M15. I need a bullish close in the M15. Not that bullish. Something else. Okay. Bearish close. And again, we are moving out of time. London open, New York open, New York SD open. We are still inside London close. So okay. Another bearish candle. That's a bullish candle. Okay. So right now we breached the zone, we went high, we came here, we retested the zone. I want to see the M15 is a very weak confirmation. I want to see a 30-minute close. No, bearish close in the 30 minutes. So this is nothing good to trade anymore, unfortunately. I gotta move to the next day. Has London closed already? Okay, let's move to the next bar. We came to the bottom of the range. Yeah, and big growth. Yeah. But now we are ooh. Oh my god. Okay, let's move to the next day. Okay. So clean template. Clean template. And let's see the 1 hour. Just going back like this. Yeah. Okay, so this one is good in here. This one is good in here. This one is here. This is zone we are breaching out. And then we have this one. So Well, the 4 hour, yeah, it's looking pretty bearish. Bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bearish, bearish, bearish. This is the no candle. Hmm. Okay, let's play this. The thing is, we have breached this zone in the 1 hour, right? We breached it. We closed below. The, but we are having a bit of rejection. We closed bullish, but we have a bit of rejection there, and but in the 30 minutes it's like no candle here. But we have clean traffic to the bottom. We have from the breach of this flow, we have 15 pips to go. Here, more breach down. Yeah, I need to see a bit of a wick on this one, you know, and if I see a wick and then we come down and we've reached the slow again, I'm taking a short. We're respecting? No, not respected anymore. Okay, just a bit more and a bit more. Okay, okay. So because this counts to me as a no candle, okay? Because yeah, close and open in the same place. So if we place this one next to this one, we have a dogtail setup. So we have just breached the low, so I'm taking a trade, sell. We stop just above here is 13 pips and an open target this bottom here. Well, not really open, 28 pips. How is this? Yeah. Okay, so let's play. Is this not? So managing the M15. Really? Again? Wow. Boo. I don't know what happened there. This was new. Oh, but you can see I was triggered by the spread. So not good. Not good at all. Hmm. That's why. Hmm. I might give it a second chance if you break down again. Yeah. So selling again. Stop above this peak at 15 pips. Target below here. Alright. This was a bearish M15, so we are good. This is breaking up, should break down. It closed bearish, which is good. Okay, heading in our direction. Trades, where are they? Oh, again. I don't see them again. Trades. Sometimes they come. Okay. Just okay. 6 fips. How much is the stop? 15, isn't it? Yeah, 15. So that's fine. And that white line is good for a one-to-one take profit. Okay. Oh, we touched it. Yeah. Not sure if you're going there again, but I'm sure it was 15 pips there. So let's see. If we go all the way back up, I'm going back and I take the target there. So no fucking. Take it. Very close, very nice. Again, we tapped it. Okay. 14. Give me one more. I need 15. Come on. 14. Come on. 16. Okay. 16 is alright. Close 90%. Okay. And the other target is just there in the bottom of those. This is going to be hard. Let's see if we do those weeks. Let's break even this trade. Yeah, this is rejection from the 1 hour here, of course. Just very obvious stuff. Very, very obvious stuff. I just have, yeah, I'm just kind of hoping that it passes. Yeah, just, yeah. But as you can see, the supports are just 1 hour and 4 hours. They are just huge, massive. It already rejected how many pips? 43. It's almost 20 pips rejection. We still can break. Let's see. Look, not looking bad. Break, break, break it. Yeah, I know. Difficult. Oh, but this is New York Open now. So we might have the vol. If we have to break it now, but I don't think we are going to do it. Yeah. 1 hour close bullish is a very, very strong signal. Very strong signal. And to be honest, this is a buy here. In the breach of this, in the breach of this high, because we, 1, 2, 3 candles, we are in the zone of support, 4 hour support, 1 hour support. So this break here, it's a buy. And let me see if I can place my stop. I'm a little late, but I'm trying to put it a 19 pip stop. A 19 pip stop, but we have clean traffic. Clean traffic to go. So yeah, I'm taking a buy here. Ooh, usual buy. It's going to be a 2020 thing. And the second trade I'm closing fully because we are out of time, isn't it? It's already the second trade. It's about New York SE Open. We have 2 or 3 hours. Hmm, looks good. I have to manage in the M15. Okay, this is very good. So we have a bit of problems here. Ooh, I didn't saw that in the 1 hour. Ooh, so we have a bit of oh, okay. We want to. I want to pass. I should have passed this zone, but in the 1 hour, there's nothing. You know, so let's play this, but let's still manage in the M15. Okay. Again, M15 closing bearish, and I should. You know what? I'm not cutting 50% yet because uh, 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 hmm. Yeah, I'm like trusting the 1 hour more than the 30 minutes. But it's risky to stay in the trade. I should cut 50%. So yeah, close partial, 50%. Uh, if we break the high here again, I'll get in again. Let's see. This was a bearish M30. It was a bearish M30, but it's a rejection from the bottom. So it's still good. Or I would be cutting again. Another bearish M15. Bullish. Okay. We are breaking the highs here. How much is my stop if I put? mm, If I put stop below those weeks here and 30. Oh man, yeah. Right. Because we broke the high, kind of broke the high of those candles. Um, it's all fixed stuff. Okay, so I'm going to do 0.5. Right. So 13. 13. Shit. Let's go. Nah. Wow. Wow. Okay. 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 I surrender myself. Oh shit! I was not managing the M15 again. So, but yeah, but we were doing kind of. It just broke down. It just broke down. So, do I still have any trust on this trade? Uh, no, not really. We've reached over like 1,000 candles now, so I'm closing everything. That's it. Very bad. Okay, let's move to the next day. It's 19, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, because this is already no time to trade. Oh, trade was good, huh? And again, oh man, what a mess. You see, that's the kind of volume that you get after London closed. Fucking hell. Sessions. We are already in Thursday. 2 days to go. Oh, we are still in the same place. Incredible. Okay. So not much work to do here. Lines are all the same. Can put one more line in here. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Bearish all over the place. But it's 4 hour support. 4 hour support is always so strong. But yeah, yeah. I'll click. What happened yesterday? Yeah, I should have taken the trade not late in there, but in here. This is this is the trade, and the trade is good, of course. You know, this is you have a bullish close, you enter. You don't wait for the high. You have a bullish 1 hour close in the 4 hour support zone. No, this is immediately. It's immediately in here in the close. Because that's what happened. You missed the profit, the immediate profit. You know that for like 21 pips. Because I've entered 10 pips later. So and although you are 10 pips in profit, it's not good enough. You know. And then you have to manage risk and blah blah blah. Yeah. So yeah, that's that's a good one too. Not to repeat. Okay, now we are in this kind of range here again. So nothing to do here. So this is a lot of problems. A lot of problems. There's problems all over the place. Yeah. Problems, problems, problems going up, you know. Going down, if we breach the 4 hours, we have another one in there. Yeah. Can I see it here in the 1 hour? If we breach the 4 hours, we have this one. This one is just here. And then we have this one in here, or in here, in here. Okay, 13, 30, 43. The first one is not good enough for a trade. It's just too close. The second one, yes. The second one might be good. Let's see. 30 minutes playing. Pin bar, dodgy, whatever. Breaking down. Bearish close. Oh man, there's nothing while we don't get out of this range. It's nothing to do here. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, range, blah blah blah. Okay, we are almost at New York Open. There's nothing going up for me. Not problems here, problems there. There's just problems all over the place. Mm. Right. This is the 1 hour. The 1 hour closed bullish, and this candle closed the high of the previous one, but still inside the range. We need a close outside the range. Stay closed bullish again. Let's see. Let's see the next one. Is it 30 minutes now? If the 30 minutes closes outside the range, would be good. No, just the range. We don't get it out of the range. The 1 hour, still ongoing. Yep. Some momentum kicking in. That's New York SE Open. bullish. I think this is going to be a no trading day. Yeah, because I'm not going to trade after London close. So it's gone. What a shame. It's gone. Nothing to do here. So the good thing is that we are moving to the next day. There's the sessions. Okay. Now where are we? All the lines of yesterday are still good for today. And it's incredible. All those levels play out. It's incredible. This reminds me of a trader forex that it plays all those levels. Everything. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, in here, this is a problem here. If we breach that high of this candle, I'm definitely going long for trying to get into this zone here, which is like what 12 pips, that we might go a bit further. Let's see. Play. Okay. And I'm not entering immediately because of this problem here. Okay. It's because if this wasn't here, I would be entering immediately after the close above that resistance there. This is already Friday, yeah? Friday, yeah. Well, I'm still in the 1 hour, seeing things in the 1 hour. But yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good because I have a lot of perspective here. For now, we just reached the 1 hour low, which is not good if you want to go up. But it's rejecting. If we breach its own high, might be very interesting. Hmm. Just a bit more. Oh yeah. I'm very interesting. I'm very interested in getting into this trade because it's rejected. It came to test. This was the retest, of this zone here. So I'm placing a buy 1%. Ooh, where do I place my stop? That's the difficult one. That's the difficult one in here. Yeah, very difficult. But yeah, I have to. 15-minute candle, not too bad. 14 pips, not too bad. So let's do a buy here. Stop here. Target. Just leave it alone. Or let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. And I want to take a 1-to-1, so in this white line, next to that white line. 1 hour close bullish, very bullish scenario. Alright, so I got it. Now, I want to close in the white line. So let's see if we go there again. Okay. Oh, it's difficult. There is always delay pressing the button, pressing the seeking button. Okay, that's even better. Okay, so I'm closing 90% in here. Trade 90%, 20 pips. So yeah, that's a good trade. It's more than 1 to 1. So it's partial 90%, and the rest I listed this high in here. Yeah, definitely. Unless we have room to go somewhere else. Hmm. No, that's a lot of rejection in the 4 hours. One, two, three, four. No, we are not going anywhere from there. So let's just set break even. Oh, again the trade disappeared. Man, I hate when the trades disappear. Break even. That's okay. Play this shit. That's a 1 hour candle. We don't even open New York yet. Hmm. 1 hour, 30 minutes at close, bullish. 1 hour keeps going up. Let's see if we hit my target. That would be awesome. That would put this simulation in break even. I don't know how, but okay, let's see if this one can go a bit more. Just a bit more. Come on. Just to the next resistance. Come on. Yeah, a bit more. Oh man, I think I'm taking it if we go there again. 30 minutes in. Come on. Go, go, go. Oh, it's weakening, weakening. No, doesn't want to go anymore. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, it came to get liquidity here on this support. Wow, it's a retest. It's a retest. Nice. Wow, wow. So this, hmm, nice. 9 pips, 16 pips. Yeah, yeah. I don't have room. I don't have room for a trade. Yeah. So difficult one. Yeah. I don't have room for a trade here. So, and it's a bearish close, so we need to breach that high and have faith. Have trust in our analysis. Go bullish close. Are we going? Are we going to that target there? Let's see where we are. So the target is placed just a little below the resistance there. On the other hand, this was a false break. This one here was a false break because the zone is actually there. Because if it wasn't a false break, it wouldn't have come down again. So this was the false break, and it came down sharply. So that's where we hit. Alright, so I'm just going to leave it a bit more, but my target should be right in the high there. This doesn't want to go anywhere. Those are 1 hour candles. This one closed bullish, but it's just weeks and weeks and weeks. So yeah. 17. This is already New York SE open. Yeah, let's briefly do another weekend. Let's see. Okay, I'm closing here. This is good enough. It's like 31 pips. Just 10%, but still something. And yeah, when I end the simulation here, it was just yeah, almost break even, minus 0.11%. It was quite good. Well, it was not good, not even close to being good, but also not too bad. So yeah, cheers, mate. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.